Jelly, jelya, jelekin. 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 Jelya, jelly, 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 jelekin. So I'm saying jelya means my lion. Jel-e, you're lion. Jel-ekin, their lion. So jel is a lion. Jel-ekin, ekin, their. So their lion. So I hope you have learned something, from my teaching and my lesson. Thank you so much.